Hello and welcome to this Chemistry World webinar, using flow chemistry to give early drug discovery processes a boost. I'm Philip Broadwith, Chemistry World's business editor. So today's webinar is about using flow chemistry in pharmaceutical research and development, particularly the early processes of drug discovery. I'm sure lots of you have heard lots of things about flow chemistry and the various advantages that it can have over traditional batch processes. Maybe even you started using it in your own research, but it has advantages, particularly in certain kinds of reactions, but also more broadly. During this webinar, we'll be looking at some of those benefits in a bit more detail, especially using modular flow reactor setups that have the flexibility that you might need in that kind of discovery and hit to lead environment, and then finishing with an example of a company that is putting these things into practice as it refines those screening hits into lead compounds that are going to progress further through the drug discovery process. We've worked with Syrris today to bring you the information in this webinar. We think that you're going to be interested in it, and we've got some really high-level experts in this field. So later on, we'll be hearing from Lee Walmsley, who is the senior team leader at Vernalis Research. He also runs the technology team there. He's going to be showing us some of what his team has done, encouraging colleagues to integrate flow chemistry and other new technology into their research programs. But first up, we've got Andrew Mansfield. He is the flow chemistry leader at Syrris. So Andrew has a wealth of experience working with flow chemistry systems, both in academic and industrial settings. He's going to be taking us through some of the aspects of the technology and why you should consider using it in your own labs. Okay, so I'm going to hand over to Andrew if he's got his camera on.
Okay.
Okay, so there we are.
Okay, well, thank you for that introduction, Philip, and welcome everyone to this Chemistry World hosted webinar. So today, as Philip introduced, we're going to be talking about how we can use flow chemistry to give our early drug discovery processes a boost. That's the title, on how we can use this technology to help us. So as Philip pointed out, I'm joined by Lee Walmsley this afternoon. Lee will be giving us really nice description of how a modern CRO, Vernalis Research, are adopting flow chemistry in their hit to lead processes.